Squirrels waking up, sleepy eyes. Prairie dogs stretching to the sky. Wake up, it's playtime now.